Pisces, welcome to the channel, Scorp Works Tarot. So, reading sa mga kaibigan natin, August 1 to the 7, Pisces, born under the sign of Pisces. So, yeah, kamusta po? Kamusta po kayo? Kung meron mga nanonood na Pisces born and sign dito sa channel ko. Shout out sa mga OFW. So, kamusta po? OFW din po ako. Yes, alam natin ang sentimiento. Sentimiento ng OFW. So, Pisces. Tignan natin August 1 to 7. Tignan natin ang message. Tignan natin. Very heavy yung readings kanina, earlier. Hindi ko sasabihin kung sino siya. So, weekend ko po ginagawa itong tarot reading. So, kanina ay kumain ako sa labas. Kumain ako ng ramen. Oh, meron yatang kumakaul sa kalsada. Yes, Pisces. Mga aso. Yes, maganda yung weather ngayon. So, mamaya matulog muna ako siguro. Bukas back to work. Another busy week. Stressful week tayo. Happy ba yung energy? Natapos na naman yung kalahating taon. So, ready na naman tayo to fight. A lot of expansion happening. Growth. People are, because of Mercury retrograde, ingat po tayo sa communication. Minsan, kailangan i-zip natin yung bibig natin. Kung ayaw mong mapaaway, miscommunication. Miscommunication. Okay. So, ang mga kaibigan mo ready nang mag-order ng something to celebrate. Kain tayo ng Japanese or kain tayo ng Italian food. Okay? Party, wedding. Kagaling mo lang ba sa wedding, Pisces? O ikaw yung ikaw yung star ng celebration. So, collaboration, okay? Ang daming sumusungaw dito, okay? Ang daming nakikipagtalo lately yata, Ito nga ba sinasabi ko sa miscommunication, Okay. And, okay, ito may matalas sa mga dila. Okay, parang speed of light. Speed of light. It can be a good thing. It can work both ways yan, It can be something to celebrate, or it can be, well, the misery of other can be, ano ba tawag doon? Misery loves company. So, kapag ganun din, that calls for celebration. Pero pare-para tayong miserableng walang pera. Okay, mag-celebrate talaga tayo. Okay, so, news is coming. News is coming that cause for you to celebrate. Miscommunication coming as well. Ingat sa mga sa chat natin. It's fast moving. Huwag mahangin. Yan, kasama yan. Kulang tayo. Makikichismis tayo kay Pisces. This is interesting. What do you what's happening na you are on that headspace of okay, I have to celebrate whether I can get it or not. It's not something. Okay, may mga tao na very light. They have this not necessarily hindi sila serious, pero ayaw na nila ng pag-complicating kung makuha ko yun o hindi, or meron ako nakitang sale pero babalikan ko, bahala na kung para sa akin. Ganun tipo. If it's work-related, kung makuha ko yung promotion na ito or makuha ko itong project na ito, okay lang. Kung hindi, okay din. And, okay, it's coming from that headspace of decision. Okay, makichismis tayo. Ano pa yung news na yan? It have that element of collaboration, and there's a lot of connection emotionally. Is it related to family? Okay. Merong si kuya o si ate na something to celebrate. Nakapasa na. Graduation. Oh, okay, graduation month. Gumraduate na cum laude and then you're contemplating na pag-aaralin mo siya sa ibang bansa. Ayaw mo siya pag-aralin sa Pilipinas. Or nakakuha ng scholarship. O ikaw yung nakakuha ng scholarship and then you have to go somewhere. Okay, ganyan yung mga news niya. Ganyan yung mga tipo na ito. Na yung celebration masaya pero merong fear because of that, yun nga, unknown. And you're moving to that. Okay, yeah. So what are you worrying about? You're moving to that it's an uncharted territory, sabi nga nila, territory. Pupunta ka sa lugar na you're gonna I'm not saying that you're gonna be yeah, okay, I need to rephrase that wording. Okay, it's time to celebrate. You are celebrating. Okay, there's also the element of on your headspace. You fought for it. Hindi ito dumating sa iyo lang ng ibinigay sa iyo ng ng ulap, alapaap. Pero hindi mo dapat ito something na okay, medyo matalas. Something, ano ba yung matalas? Yun ang naaamoy ko. Okay, pero ito yung dumating, ano na ito, it's how do you say it? Ano na to? It's water under the bridge. I can see the water here. It's water under the bridge. Ano na to? What was done can't be undone. Okay? But pero hindi naman siya grabe. Ano man yung naging user ba ito? Para okay. Ba't na pumapasok sa isip ko ito? To get that level accomplishment, okay? Did you step on somebody's toe? Pisces, sorry. Kumbaga sa nag-loan ka, kailangan mo ng ano ba tawag doon, yung magpipirma na guarantor, okay? Nung makuha mo na, initsapwera mo na, okay? That's the kind of energy here. So you have that element of on your headspace na okay, medyo matatapakan ko to, pero I need that investment para makapunta ako doon sa pupuntahan kong negosyo. Okay, and that news is very fast. So news work both ways as well. News it can work in your favor and against you. Okay, so nagkaroon ka ng medyo nahilo-hilo ka ng kaunti. So yeah, yun ang energy mo, Pisces. Kung ano man ito, you weighing it in. So I think Mercury retrograde may affect it, but it calls for a celebration and you're moving to that direction na gusto mo. Kung ano man iyon. So sana all. So medyo merong may stumbling block. That's hindi siya it's not all rosy. Kumbaga nag-loan ka, ang daming requirements. Nagpunta ka rito, nagpunta ka doon, napaikot-ikot. Napaaway ka, pero nakuha mo pa rin. Kumbaga sa graduation, naging cum laude ka, kamuntik-muntikan na, pero nakuha mo pa rin cum laude, you graduated with honor. Kumbaga sa project, nag-sign na siya, pero nahilo ka na sumakit din ang ulo mo. So you fought for it and yeah, you win. Very good. Yeah, kung ano man ito, sana all, congratulations. It's not easy, Pisces. I think you deserve this celebration and collaboration. Meron lang in between ng mga element. Yeah. So, yeah, okay. Pisces, have a good week. See you again.